shit, lil' pup, I'm a big dog. I'm a big dog, tits get flicked off. Cause I'm a big dog, they wanna put me on the leash. But I'm a big dog, got it out the mud, I ain't had to hit a lick, dog. In case you ain't know, man, my hustle game proper. Nigga try to run in my dog house, I'm gon' pop him. 40 cal gon' stop him. HK, SK, OK, yeah, you get it. I got options, I be running through the streets. No lease, no collar. Only green that I love is money and collars. Running through both so much, my shit stay proper. You don't get it, it's okay. Getting tips, no Frito-Lay. Quick trip to the bay. Back touchdown a couple days. I'm Mercedes on the way. Lined up a couple plays. 5 digits in 2 days. Split the profit one way. Man, they want me in a pound like a motherfucking straight. Big dog shit. Big dog whip. All these women on me cause a big dog.
Locked and loaded. Tanggal. Ang bango-bango, ang bango-bango ng bulok mo. Ikaw.